enter Tomorrowland now. Let's go and party!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'm
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are SuprAash.
Belgium is known for a lot of things, namely its beer, fries, waffles and chocolates. And for all the music buffs, you do know that Belgium also has a lot of music festivals.
And one of the biggest music festival is Tomorrowland.
If you have already been to Tomorrowland or you have tried to go to Tomorrowland, you might know that it is not so easy to get tickets to Tomorrowland.
But we were lucky enough this year that we could go to Tomorrowland, and we thought we should share this information with all of you guys.
After almost 10 years in Belgium, we are finally going to visit Tomorrowland, the biggest music festival in the world.
How many of you already know what Tomorrowland is, or how many of you have already been to Tomorrowland?
Let us know in the comments down below.
If you're a Belgian resident, then you might know that there are pre-sales to Tomorrowland tickets. What does this mean for those of you who do not know what it is? It's basically an extra chance that you get as a resident of Belgium, or a special chance that you get as a resident of Belgium, because Tomorrowland is held in Belgium. And these sales is normally 1 week before the global sales.
But it doesn't mean that if you miss out the chance to get the tickets in the pre-sales, you can still apply to in the global sales.
If you are not successful during the pre-sale or the global sale, do not worry, you still have one more chance to buy tickets to Tomorrowland. You need to register on their website for a waiting list, and if someone cancels their tickets, you still have a chance of getting tickets.
Now let's dive into the steps.
The first step is you need to have an account on their website.
And once you have registered, don't forget to activate it.
It's advisable to do these steps before the sales start, as you do not waste any time waiting or activating your account when the sales have already started.
So for 2024, to know the exact dates when the sales are going to start, you have to check their official website in the month of December.
Once the sales start, you will be placed in a queue, and it is very important not to refresh your browser, as it can take sometimes minutes or even sometimes several hours before you are put inside the website and you're given a chance of buying your tickets.
We were very lucky enough that we got into the queue within 10 minutes.
Once you get inside the website, you'll have another 10 minutes where you can make your selection and add the tickets you want to your basket.
But be assured, those tickets just are gone within seconds. So please be quick enough to select tickets and do your payment.
So it is advisable to read up on the different types of tickets and the different dates before the sales start.
Based on the tickets you choose, be it for just one day, be it for the weekend, and there are different packages available, your cost will change according to that.
Please note that you can only book 5 tickets per account.
Once you have booked your ticket successfully, you will receive a confirmation email where you will have all the details about the tickets and the dates and so on.
Please note, it is very important to give your correct address when you make your account. If you do not, you will not receive your bracelet at home, and you will need to pick up your bracelets at the counter when you reach Tomorrowland, but that is not an easy process.
But in case you made a mistake, which we did as well, you can still correct that address before the personalized bracelet is delivered to your home.
The personalized bracelet is something which is very unique, and it's always delivered in a very fancy box which changes every year. It's made to look similar to the setup of Tomorrowland.
We were really excited to see this box and open it. It was really a very different, surreal experience.
don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become.
Once you receive your bracelets, you need to activate the bracelet and register it to each person. So the main buyer receives all the information. That's the account holder who booked the tickets. and they need to inform the people that are going with them as to what they need to do. For any payments done at the site Tomorrowland, they do not accept cash or card payments. The payments are done using pearls which are loaded onto your bracelet. So it is important to activate your bracelets and add the amount which you would expect to spend over there onto the bracelet before you go inside.
And also, if you will top up the pearls beforehand, they also give you some extra pearls. You can check in their website about it.
You will normally get all the information once you receive your bracelet. It's better to always add some extra pearls on your account, and you need not worry. If there is some balance remaining on your bracelet, that will be refunded to you using the same payment method which you used to top up your pearls.
Let's move on to how to get there.
Tomorrowland is held in Boom in Belgium. There is no direct airport at Boom, so you'll need to fly to Brussels if you're coming from outside Belgium, and if you're coming by flight, you fly to Brussels and you can take a train or a shuttle to Boom. The other place where people normally come to Tomorrowland from is Antwerp. You also have trains from Antwerp and shuttles from Antwerp to Boom.
You can book these shuttles at the Tomorrowland website as well. There are different timings and different stops as well, say in Brussels and Antwerp and many other big cities. You can find all this information in that website.
If you do not want to take a shuttle or a train to Tomorrowland, you can drive down there, and it is advisable to purchase your parking beforehand. Please note, as Tomorrowland will be a very famous event and a lot of people will be visiting it, you can have a lot of traffic both while going in and while coming out of Tomorrowland. Apart from booking shuttles and train tickets from their website, you can also book some additional services.
One of them is the lockers. For example, you don't want to carry your backpack the entire day during the Tomorrowland, you can just buy this locker. And again, there are different sizes for these lockers and different prices based on the locker size you choose. Once you reserve the locker, you can take that printout and go to their counter, and there they will give you the code with which you can access the locker where you can put all your stuff, and then when you're leaving Tomorrowland, you can just unlock and take your stuff with you.
We decided to take the shuttle to Tomorrowland. On the day, we had to reach the designated pickup points and take the shuttle from there. Tomorrowland during our time was on from 12 in the afternoon to 1 o'clock at night.
So our pickup stop was Brussels North, and it took around 45 minutes to reach Tomorrowland. And they dropped at a specific location, and after that as well we had to walk a lot to actually reach the Tomorrowland location. So please be prepared, go with the good shoes because there will be a lot of walking that day.
Once you walk to the gate, you will have to pass through security. So please note that you cannot take any food or drinks with you, and they are very strict about these restrictions. This is apart from all the standard restrictions where you cannot take sharp objects or explosives or things like that. We lost our bottle of water when we went there. We thought we would be able to keep it in the locker, but no, the security is before the locker, so keep that in mind.
So we finally made it to the entrance of Tomorrowland. We're gonna head inside now, and thank you for this lovely birthday gift. She gifted me the tickets for my birthday, which is gonna be coming soon.
So after clearing the security, we put our backpacks in the locker, and then we were free to roam around and see the beautiful Tomorrowland.
Once you buy your tickets, you need to scan it at the entrance to get a voucher like this, which has your locker number and the PIN mentioned on it. You then locate your locker, enter your PIN, leave your belongings, lock the locker, and then go and party.
Once you enter the Tomorrowland, you can see there are different stages, different DJs, different music going on, and you can just go around, walk around, enjoy, dance to their tunes, and just soak in Tomorrowland atmosphere.
While you're there, it is useful to download the Tomorrowland app, as you get a small interactive map where you can be directed to each of the stages. You can see the schedule of the lineup, and you can also see some of the extra services like the food stalls and toilets where they are located.
The main highlight of Tomorrowland is the main stage. Of course, you can enjoy it during the day, but it is more beautiful with all the lights lit up during the night.
You have all the fireworks which happen during the main stage in the evening, so it's advisable to go over there and have a look at the artists playing in the night.
Say you already try to find a place around 8 p.m. because when Tomorrowland closes, so you already have a location where you can see the fireworks and enjoy the music.
And if you've not already had a look at the videos which we've uploaded, we have some of the Tomorrowland videos in the same playlist.
Now let's have a look at Tomorrowland Village, which we visited in 2023.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in.
After enjoying Tomorrowland throughout the day, we were finally ready to go home, but we were not prepared that it would take us so long to exit Tomorrowland. If you stay till the end of the shows, be prepared, it can take an hour or more to exit Tomorrowland because everyone is leaving at the same time. But as you probably know, in the confirmation mail it's mentioned that the last shuttle departs from Tomorrowland 1 hour after the last show. This was not the case. We had some shuttles even though it took us more than 1 hour to exit. We were very worried we might miss our shuttle, but luckily that was not true.
So don't worry to wait till the end of the show because it is really worth waiting. I am not a music buff, but still I would say I really enjoyed this experience. I just cannot describe how beautiful it was. And also don't forget to dress up in a very funky way because you will see a lot of funkier people there and you would really enjoy to see that.
This is an experience of a lifetime.
And with this, we would like to end our video.
How did you like this video on Tomorrowland?
Did you find it useful?
Did you find it informative?
And did you enjoy it as we did?
Do let us know in the comments down below.
And as always, if you liked our video, please don't forget to like,
share,
because sharing is caring,
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella